George,
Yeah.
would you help me produce a short film, please, son?
Yeah.
What I want you to film is me just showing...
You mucking about?
Not mucking about, George.
Oh, you
no, you're the
started.
producer, by the
Yeah.
way. You're just a producer, you don't say stuff.
No.
I just want to show people how I dismantle pallets.
Yeah. Do that.
Safety first. Always wear gloves.
And goggles.
Got goggles. Well, actually, these are not goggles. But yeah, come a bit closer. I know you don't like the sound of this, but what I'm going to do is try and make a little film, George.
Yeah.
About
I'm making
us making the shed. Okay.
Yeah.
You don't need to talk.
No, but I'm making the film.
Yeah, no, but you don't need to talk.
No.
You're the producer, George.
Yeah.
Yeah, but don't talk.
No, I won't from now.
Right, so you ready? Action? Did you say action? I thought you was the producer.
Yeah, I'm producing it. Action.
Well, say it louder than that.
Action.
Oh, look at that, man. That was easy.
Ooh,
Then you get this, point it at that producer.
that's the old ears, doesn't it?
That's, oh look, it's a butterfly. Film
Oh.
that, producer. I'll find it somewhere to sit.
It's sitting there.
No, it must have been on these pallets hibernating.
Oh yeah. Give it to the chicken.
Hey, no, I'm not going to give it to the chickens.
That's a joke.
That's horrible. I care about wildlife.
Yeah, so do I.
Well, why do you want to give...
That was a joke. I do the jokes. You do the
George,
work.
You don't even need to talk, George. You're the producer. But what I do is I've tried to take the heads off of the nails. Yeah. Yeah, that.
Yeah.
Down over there. George. Then once I've got the head off, I can quite simply
There we
go
go.
like that, and that one, and then like that.
Oh.
And I've got a plank because I want to. What we're doing is
Yeah,
We're
what are
getting-
we doing?
we're getting all this wood because we're trying to save money on the
Yeah.
shed we're building, and these are going to be part of the roof. That was my idea, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You don't have to talk,
I'll nod.
but yeah. So George, can you take those nails out?
Yeah.
Make sure that they don't go on the drive.
Yeah.
We'll cut it there. That's,
And let's go look at the shed.
okay, cut.
Cut.
Yeah, you press the top button.
That
You're the
one?
producer.
Action.
This is some more featherage boarding we've just bought. That's going to go on this side. Let's go and show them the shed.
Yeah, I said that.
What?
I said that.
You shouldn't say anything. You're the producer, George. You don't need to talk. I'm not paying extra.
Thank you.
But try not to film any of the untidy bits of the garden.
Oh.
Too late. Yeah, so that featherage,
Oh, that's a squeaky ball, sorry.
the featherage that we've just bought this morning is going to go here, here and round there. On the back there,
Yeah.
it's going to be corrugated, and those bits we're cutting off the pallets are going to go across the roof, and then on top of that we're going to have either felt or corrugated steel sheeting. So that's where we're at the moment. Don't keep nodding your head, George. What you're supposed to say is cut and things like that. I mean,
Cut.
I don't know when to stop talking. Yeah, when you say cut, then you turn it off.
Cut.
Yeah. You're supposed to be producing a film, mate. Never mind that.
Oh,
Here's your ear defenders.
thanks. Just taking a break. Oh.
That's how it's done. Oh, you filming me again?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't say action, did
Cut.
you? Hey? Is this about right there, George?
Yeah, give or take. That's about
Give or
the right
take.
gap.
Or a bit more than that's like that, mate.
It's only a shed.
Not only a shed, it's a special shed for your mother.
Oh.
Special shed.
Oh,
Oh. Oh.
George, could
Trish, we're recording here. You'll be on camera.
right, no, I don't know.
Well, we don't mind you talking on camera, but I know you don't like being on camera.
No.
When
I
the-
don't know why, because you're very, very pretty.
Yeah.
What?
Can you put another nail in for
Yeah.
Fran when you've got a minute?
I'll put another
Well,
nail
he
in.
hasn't got a minute.
I'm filming this.
He hasn't got a minute.
I'm producer.
He's the producer of this film, love.
You don't concentrate too much on the filming to the detriment of my structure.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
You're bloody lucky you're getting a structure.
It's only a
Don't
shed.
And I want a notice on the front painted saying the structure.
worry. What? What did Mum say?
She wants a notice painted on the front called the structure.
Oh, the structure.
Don't know why she likes it called that, but she does.
The date of completion.
Right.
Got a bit put off then. What were we doing?
Well, I don't know. Mum disturbed us. I've got no idea what
Yes.
what was she talking about? Do you know? What did I've forgotten exactly what.
I've got to nail something in, but
Oh right. Oh no, you're not going to do that.
no.
Tell Fran to do her own nailing.
Yeah.
Because if you go down there and help Fran, you'll find you're going to be having to pull out brambles and stuff.
Oh, we don't want
But
that.
I've already heard her discussing it with Trish.
Yeah, we don't want any of that.
I will get George to dig that bramble root out.
This is a much easier job here.
Okay. Yeah, how long are you going to film me for?
Till we're done.
No, you're only the producer, George. You can decide when to cut or whatever. You don't.
Cut.
Yeah.
Action.
See that? See that, George?
What?
That doesn't go down. That should go down when I bring.
Yeah, do it by hand. It's
George, you don't talk. Remember, you're just a producer, son.
yeah.
You confuse it. You ruin all my editing when you start talking. Oh,
What are you doing here?
pardon? Well, I'm building.
No,
a
do you want to
shed.
explain what you're cutting and all that?
Yeah, this is some of the pallet wood we got off the pallets yesterday. Show that pallet.
Yeah.
And we're using it for the roof. We're not using. Look, just look up here, George. I'll explain it to you.
No, I know. You can explain it to them.
See what I've done so far? I've left gaps
We?
because we're going to have a board. We're going to have board on top of that, and
Yeah.
that's just to hold the boards up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, so there's no need to make a great song and dance about it.
shall I film you doing that or not?
Well, George, you're the producer.
Yeah, I'll
You
film
know
that.
when to cut and...
Well, no, let's film.
Well, it's a bit boring, isn't it, just watching me... But I'll tell you, let's just put one of these up and let's just see if it actually fits now that I've cut it to
Yeah.
size.
Make sure you cut it right, it will
Perhaps
fit.
you... Alright, if you want the talking part, perhaps you could explain to the viewers why we're doing it like this.
You explained a minute ago.
No, you explain it to them, because I don't think I explained it very well.
Well, we're putting board on top of on the roof, and we're using this wood to hold the board in place. And that's about it, really. It's not that
George,
interesting.
you haven't cut that one short enough.
I didn't cut it. You cut it. It's on film. What, you cut it wrong?
No, I haven't cut it wrong. At least it's too long, but it's only a fraction of an inch. So I've done it deliberately long so that it fits in nice and tightly.
Oh,
That's one of the little things you've got to learn in life.
it's just
Okay.
Yeah. Terrific.
Yeah. Well,
All right. Cut. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Action. Oh,
Oh, you filming me again?
yeah.
You should
That
say
was
action,
quick.
George.
I did.
Right.
Cut.
now. Yeah. Cut.
I say cut. Action.
Bloody dangerous, George. I did ask for these branches to be moved out of the way, didn't I? By the labourer.
Yeah.
I did hope the labourer would move. Look, I could rip my eyes out, that could. Why are you laughing, George?
I'm not. I'm just.
What's that look on your face? It looks a bit like
Oh, I'm smiling. It's a nice day. Oh dear.
Oh,
I better hold that.
Look at that bit of bramble there.
What bit?
Hear that?
Yeah.
They're ripping me to pieces.
You did ask it to be moved, I think.
I did. I asked the labourer to do it. Oh.
Don't worry, I'll hold the ladder and do this as well.
Yeah, good to say, hold
I
that.
can only do. I can't do so much.
Hey?
I can only do so much.
Well, can you see what I'm doing at all?
Yeah, just about. But I'm doing
Well,
lots of
why
other
don't you
things.
stand over
Well, I've
there?
got to hold the ladder.
The ladder's held by this,
Oh, it's
by
safe,
this
is it?
post.
Yeah.
Nearly there, George.
Well,
You've been really helpful, George.
yeah, I know.
You know, if you call bird watching and that helpful, well, you're supposed to,
Well, if I'm busy looking at something over there, I can't.
you're not supposed to look things over there. You're supposed to be keeping an eye on your old dad.
Yeah. I'm just saying. Sometimes I take breaks to look at things that are going on.
Yeah, what about... I've got no nails in my pocket.
Um,
You're supposed to...
yeah. Again, I was busy doing my own thing.
Yeah, but a producer is quite capable of doing more than one thing at once.
Yeah.
I think we'll... This'll do, George, and we just put the board on top of this. You know, the solid boards will go on top of this.
Yeah. I think so.
Oh, you thought that, did you?
Yeah.
That's it, George. Oh no, I better put another couple of nails in there.
That
I
holly.
didn't do them because I'd run out of nails because you weren't keeping
Well,
me
I think there's a
supplied
hole
with
in your
nails.
pocket because I've handed you hundreds.
Yeah, well, I've used hundreds, haven't I?
If that.
You're not really supposed to be talking, George. You're the producer. Oh.
Oh.
Makes editing the film a nightmare. And you keep talking. Oh. That's it, mate.
Let's just look at them quickly. Holly
Give me
berries.
that camera a minute. That. See on top of that, everyone, we're going to put board in. So we're actually getting somewhere. George, you better say cut if you're looking. Action.
Oh dear.
I've got nowhere to swing the hammer.
Those should have been moved.
Did ask them to be cut off.
I think they were cut off.
Yeah, properly cut off.
Oh.
Just 3 nails I've just wasted. That's coming out of your wages.
Oh. Action.
George.
Yeah?
It's not. I'm trying to do it left-handed. Have you got your
Left-handed
your
hammer?
Left-handed hammer.
Yeah.
Is that your left-handed
Yeah,
hammer?
it's the left-handed one.
That's the one. Yeah, because you're left-handed,
Yeah.
aren't you?
I'll take that one from you.
Yeah. Oh, that's much better, George.
Good.
I thought you was joking about a left-handed. That's it.
Well, no, you have left and right, haven't you?
Thanks, mate. That's George. I think we'll call it a day now because it's
Yep.
starting to rain.
That's end of part 1.
Hey,
End of part 1.
why are you filming that bit?
Well, I'm looking at the structure.
Yeah, but let people see what we've done.
Yeah.
Achieved. Yeah. Okay, George. You looked up.
Yeah, we looked up.
That's end of part 1 then, George.
Yeah. Cut.